This is an educational game for kids. So it's a 3D car game where the kid will get a set of questions based on the math choice they have chosen. Once I enter, you will see different options here, different modes you can call: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So based on this, they will get few questions, and if they answer it correctly, the car will go faster. If not, it will stop. So we have difficulty as well. So the difficulty will increase the number. Like for example, for easy it's 1 to 20, for medium it's 20 to 30, something like that. So let's quickly play the game. So this is our car and these three are bought cars. So I have this question, so when I answer it correct, it will go a little faster. So if I quickly answer the questions, it will increase the speed furthermore. And also the other cars are simulated in a way that they are also answering correct or wrong answers. Okay, so again correct. So if I answer it wrong, for example, so it will slow down and the other cars will move forward. So we can keep answering it correct and until we reach the final point. So CPU 1 wins. The main screens are built with pure HTML and CSS, whereas the game is built with Babylon.js. So if we let's choose multiplication and hard, so it will be little tougher to compete now. If you are very good with math, then you will be able to win easily. I don't know what is the number, so I'm going to quit it. So if you want to develop any 3D games, you can reach out to me. Alright, so I'll leave the contact in the description so you can reach out to me. Thank you. Bye bye.